They come pressed and polished, stamped and approved, fresh from the system, well trained to be smooth. Same haircut, same smile, same rehearsed tone, reading from scripts they never wrote on their own. Conditioned to whisper with thunder should roll, taught to be careful, taught to control. No blood on the message, no fire inside, just safety first sermons with true sterilized. Assembly line gospel, mass produced man, program responses, repeat it again. Say the right words, never cause a stir. Sand down the edges till truth doesn't hurt. Robots in pulpits, wired to perform, built to be gentle when the times demand war. If the cross offends, they soften the sound, but Jesus never came to keep peace with the crowd.